cutting through the waters with strength and grace. This is Atoi, a 20-meter Lagoon 630 catamaran designed for those who seek freedom without compromise. As we step into the cockpit, you'll find a space built for connection, whether it's a quiet morning coffee or a sunset gathering with friends. The open-air lounge welcomes you with wide views and natural light, inviting you to slow down and enjoy the rhythm of the sea. Every detail has been thoughtfully crafted, from the clean glass lines to the bold name that defines their identity. Inside, spacious living areas blend elegance with comfort. The saloon flows seamlessly with the outdoors, creating a sense of openness and ease. Atoi glides effortlessly across the ocean, offering stability and performance powered by twin 300 HP engines, perfect for long crossings or island hopping. Below deck, 4 private cabins await, each one designed to be your personal retreat, complete with ensuite bathrooms and soft finishes that reflect the calm of the ocean. Subtle design choices and refined materials elevate the space into something timeless, part home, part sanctuary. From every angle, she's a masterpiece. Seen here again from the shoreline, resting in her element. And as the sun dips below the horizon, Atoi continues forward, ready for wherever the ocean leads next.